Okay, so we're doing the Chuck It Labs. You should download it. And then open it. So this is very similar to our towel lab in terms of the setup. So what we're going to talk about is observation. When you throw different objects, they don't go the same distance. That should be distance. I'll fix that. So come up with factors that impact how far you can throw an object. What characteristics are most important? How will you test that? So you're doing the same exact thing that we did before the towel and so forth. And then trying to determine, fill out your problem, hypothesis, materials, procedure, and objects. So 3 different objects or 3 of the same object of different sizes, shapes, whatever you're deciding. So everything should be the same except for the thing that you're testing. And then whatever you're doing, you should have either a bar graph or a line graph with distance in meters as your x-axis, and then something else over here on the y-axis. Okay, so what we're saying is that I should be able to throw something a medium, a short, medium, or long distance, and then what's the difference here? Distance will actually be on the y-axis here, so I'll switch that too. And then you're changing something on the x. So based on your data, was hypothesis incorrect, and so forth. And the biggest one here is that when we're making conclusions, always reference data from your experiment. All right, best of luck. Let me know if you have questions. If you get stuck, you should choose, like think of 3 objects that are roughly the same mass or size or shape or something, and something different about them. Okay.